So amazing. We have a student that's going to solve it. And go ahead, champion. You can mix it up now. Okay, so this is after hours. You're not missing the bus. You're not missing.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
You good? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. You want me to mix it up even more for you?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't need me to mix it up, but here, I'm gonna do it with
Whenever
one
I
hand.
mix it up, it just goes back to the same thing.
Oh, really? Oh.
Like, you see?
Yeah. No, it's okay. So, I mean, here I'll speed this part of the video. I think this is mixed up enough. Let's go. Yeah, I think that's pretty mixed up. Okay, let's start, champion.
Alright,
Let's
so
see.
let me look for the. Oh, these still haven't done. Well, I could just put it up right now, but I like
Up to
having
you.
all the sides just like that.
Up to you.
Wait.
So proud of you.
Okay.
Nice. Okay, so we see the daisy.
This one's. Here.
Nice.
Now I
Okay.
got the line everywhere.
Yep, perfect. White cross is aligned.
And the cross. Yep. Orange and blue. Right now I got
Oh,
cross.
nice. Okay, first layer is done.
Remember?
Now we're putting the middle edges, second layer. Okay, let's see. Upside down letter T. Yeah, getting inserted. Nice. This is like school is done, but this is amazing. This is like extra credit, extra. Nice. Second layer is done. Second layer is done.
Yep. No.
Nice. Okay, you got the minus.
Now I got the
You got the cross. Okay, let's see. You might get lucky. Is it aligned?
No, these two.
Oh, you gotta align the cross.
Like that.
The cross is aligned. Nice. So what's left now?
Now I have to see if these are correct.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Placing the corners.
Enough of them are good, so I'm just
Okay.
that's
Nice.
good. That's good. Wait. No, that's not good.
Oh, so I gotta do the algorithm one more time. That's okay. Ooh, all the corners are placed. Okay.
So now, now turn.
That's gonna solve. And look at that! You solved the cube! I am so proud of you. This is amazing. And you got the pin. Look at that. I mean, I knew it. That's why you got the pin already. You're gonna get the medal. I am so proud of you. So proud. How do you feel?
I feel great.
You feel great. You should feel great. You should be a little proud. I'm so proud of you. Nice work. So proud of you.